Hello everyone, I'm Tom Palmer with Tom Palmer Custom Daisy Rifles in Mulder, Oklahoma. It's Monday, July the 21st, 2025. Project I'm going to work on today is my own gun. It's one I acquired the other day, model 104 double barrel. And let's see if we can get a shot of that up there for you. Let's see, can you see it? I hope you can, because I can't. You know, it's a model 21. It's a really nice old gun. The forearm was missing, and this the spring anchor right here, that's the wrong bolt for that. But I got one in, same time I got the forearm for it. And the old forearms was the original one off of another gun, and it just matches really good. I was very thankful for that. But anyway, I'm gonna rebuild this thing, take it down, cleaned up, and rebuild it. And I thought I'd bring y'all along. And this will be part one. I don't know how far we'll get, but I'm gonna put the camera right down here where you can watch as I start taking it apart. First thing I'm going to do is remove the forearm. These parts for these guns are extremely hard to find. I had one source that done pretty good. I was able to get that at a real reasonable cost. Forearm. And okay, let's go back here. See about taking the stock off. I've never done a 104 before. I've done several 21s, but this is my first 104, and they are different. They have some things that are similar, but they've also got some differences. Okay. And here's what the stock looks like. On a 104, it's a lot different up here on the front. Up on a 21, it has a loop right here and placed in a boat goes to it right there for the front. But this is a little simpler, but this stock is really nice and good shape. And so the gun's got nice wood on it, original. I'm not gonna do nothing to it. I'm gonna try to keep this gun as original as I can. And the insides of it, we'll see, but I may try to put leather back in it. I just don't know yet what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's see. This one has, the 104s have metal triggers, where the 21s have plastic. And so, let's see here. Okay, all right. Okay, we'll see about getting that, see if we can get that pin out for the pull bar. It's got a little clip on it that can be a little tough to get out. I think you can see that maybe. Adjust the camera there a little bit. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing out of here without losing it. Turn anything up. my fingernail under there to kind of hold that up. Like I say, this clip is just a little tricky. You don't want to lose it. Of course, I can make another one, but I'd rather not. There we go. Okay. That right there is what I was trying to get off. If you can see it. It's just a little snap ring, and get over here in the camera if we can see it. It's got the split right there. Right in there. So anyway, that you definitely don't want to lose. So I'm gonna try to find I don't see it, but I've got a magnet right here. A magnet right there. I'm gonna stick it to that. And that way it'll kind of hang on to it for me so I don't lose it. Okay, let's see. Gotta make sure the gun is not cocked. And it's not. Okay. And pull this. Pull that. That's the pin that goes through the pull bar that cocks it. Get it out. Now we should be able to break it open and break it down. There we go. There she goes. There she goes. Okay. Okay, now we should be able to get the screw out here. Remove the screw right here and detach this piece of the receiver from the other. Let's see how we go with that. Okay, got that screw out. Now this, see how this one is made. Looks like it's made kind of like the 21s. If you can see this, you gotta this has got to kind of spread apart because it's kind of like a dowels up in there. Maybe I can show you. See if I can kind of get it up here in the camera where it's kind of spread apart. You might have to lay it down here and get a screwdriver. Lay it on its back there. And there's my screwdriver. Okay, got one side out, then it went back in. They're a little bit tricky to get that out, but it's the same on a 21, the way it's made. So we'll see if we can work her on out there. We gotta snap back down on me, so I gotta unlatch it again. Get back here. Guess got to be kind of gentle with these old guns because I don't want to scratch it or tear nothing up. Keeps the latching on me, which I don't like. What is it? Hanging up in there on a There we go. There we go. Now she's coming apart. Okay. Now, there we finally got it off. Got it separated. There's the pull bar. That's where the pin went through right there. And but I was going to show you what kind of makes that thing rough to come apart. It's got, if you see up in here, it's got those little dowel things made. in each side, and so you have to spread it to get it apart on there. And so anyway, we got that done. That's all good. Okay, let's see. You know, we pull the pull bar out now. Let's get a flashlight to look down in there. They usually come out pretty easy. Yeah, there she comes. And this one here, yeah, this the barrel on the left side on this gun wouldn't cock, and so I gotta see what's going on and talk to my buddy that's expert on these, and he said sometimes these can be bent. He said don't take much, and this one may be. It kind of looks like it might be just a hair, I don't know, but anyway, I'll fix that on the way back in where both barrels will cock. I got to cock a time or two, but it was just right on the edge, so we'll try to make that better. And so anyway, there's the pull bar out of it. And okay, see how long are we? We're 11 minutes, so we probably ought to cut this video and on this model 104 for now, and then we'll have a part 2, and we'll go from there. If you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow along, and we'll continue on 104 be the next video. Thanks for watching.